Do you suffer from ringing in your ears? If so, you're not alone. Many people experience a condition called tinnitus, which can be both bothersome and distressing. But don't worry, in this video, we will show you how to use sound therapy to reduce ringing in the ears and find relief. Before we dive into sound therapy, let's first understand what causes ringing in the ears. Tinnitus is often caused by damage to the auditory system, exposure to loud noises, ear infections, or even stress. It may manifest as a continuous ringing, buzzing, or hissing sound. It can affect your daily life, making it essential to manage its symptoms effectively. Sound therapy is a non-invasive and natural approach to managing tinnitus. It involves the use of specific sounds and frequencies to mask or distract from the ringing in the ears. By listening to pleasant and calming sounds, you can redirect your focus from the tinnitus and experience relief. There are different types of sound therapy techniques that you can try to reduce ringing in your ears. White noise, nature sounds, gentle music, or even specific tinnitus masking sounds can be beneficial. It's essential to find the type of sound that works best for you and brings you relief. To use sound therapy for reducing ringing in the ears, you can start by incorporating it into your daily routine. You can listen to soothing sounds using headphones or a sound machine. Experiment with different types of sound, volume levels, and durations to find what works best for you. In addition to sound therapy, there are other strategies you can adopt to manage tinnitus effectively. These include avoiding loud noises, practicing stress-reducing techniques such as meditation or yoga, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, and seeking support from healthcare professionals. By incorporating sound therapy into your daily routine and adopting other strategies, you can reduce ringing in your ears and find relief from tinnitus. Remember, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional for an accurate diagnosis and personalized guidance. Start incorporating sound therapy today and take a step towards managing your tinnitus effectively.